Welcome to Solve, the virtual lab at NITK. This is the free vibration of cantilever beam experiment, where you'll be finding out the natural frequency of the beam and the damping present in it. Here, you'll have two beams, one with an external damper and one without. On the right side of the interface, you have the navigation and indication buttons, which give you a good control over the experiment. Now, click Next. There are two modes through which you can use the interface. Now, I will go through the online mode, where you are going to conduct the experiment. A quick point before you click the start button. You have 120 seconds to acquire the data, so make sure that you go to the next screen right after clicking the start button. So go ahead, click start and go to the next page. To remotely start the experiment, click on switch on electromagnet button. This will activate the electromagnet and gives the initial displacement to the beams. Once the data acquisition is done, amplitude versus time graph for both the beams is shown in the display. Now save the data. You will have 3 trials if you want to try again. Now we'll go ahead and click on stop acquisition and we go to the next page. Here you will have to find the peak values of x and y using the cursor and note the cursor values for your calculation. Also, make sure you zoom in and zoom out and pan options to pick the data points accurately. Once you have all the values, using the theory and formula in your reference page, calculate damping frequency, damping ratio, logarithmic decrement, and the natural frequency of the system. Once you fill the slots, click Submit and go to the next page. Here, you will have the values tabulated. Have a look if you'd like to check and proceed ahead. Here, calculate the stiffness and damping coefficient of the beam with the help of given mass of the system components and using the formula given in your reference page. Press Submit. Do the similar procedure and calculation for the second beam as well, which has a different graph because of the added damping. Press Next and that will take you to the page where you have all of your results tabulated. Save the results if you want to have it for the future reference, otherwise press exit and finish the experiment. Now, in case if you want to revisit your acquired results to do the calculations, if you are looking for a better results, you have to go to the offline mode. To do that, rerun the program, press next, select the offline mode, click start, select the previously saved file and import the saved data to do the calculations like before. The steps are very similar like previously. Only difference is that you are using the previously acquired data instead of acquiring the data live from the experiment. Once you are done with it, click exit and that's it for the experiment. Thank you.